If you'd like to know how to make a non-alcoholic version of the classic gin cocktail, the Gimlet, keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, today I'm going to make another non-alcoholic cocktail. One of my favourite gin ones is the Gimlet. Really simple to make. I'm going to do it in a non-alcoholic version. We're going to use the Four Pillars bandwagon. It is a non-alcoholic spirit, and it has some other botanicals like juniper, orange, lemon myrtle, very citrus driven. And we're going to do 60 mils or 2 ounces. Now there are a few other non-alcoholic spirits out there. If you can't get the Four Pillars, there's Liars, there's Seedlip and so forth. And do watch the videos at the end, the link. I do have a few other non-alcoholic videos which you might love if you're not drinking alcohol. But if you're a brand that does non-alcoholic spirits and want me to do some videos, flick me a message, send me some stock. Happy to do a few videos for you, because non-alcoholic cocktails are actually in at the moment and low ABV. So just embrace it. Next up, we need 30 mils or 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, which I squeezed earlier. 15 mils, half an ounce of sugar syrup, just 50-50 sugar and water. Give that a shake. All right. I like to serve this up in a cocktail glass. I'm using a Angie Camorra for this one. Easy. For the garnish on this one, I'm just going to do a dehydrated lime wheel. You can do a lime wedge, a fresh lime wheel. You do a dehydrated here. And that is a non-alcoholic gimlet. Cheers. Awesome. What a great drink. You can definitely taste the botanicals coming through. Yeah, refreshing, delicious, super easy to make, and you can be good without alcohol. So guys, please like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.